All right, so what are we doing today? We're going to do a series of reaction steps to synthesize some compounds, and then we're going to take those compounds we synthesize and react them in one final reaction to produce some light. So let's talk just a little bit about the word synthesis. Synthesis means that we are creating a new compound from existing compounds. Maybe we're taking some smaller molecules and reacting them together to make a larger molecule. Or maybe we're taking a series of molecules and putting them together to create something that has never been created before. One of the beautiful things about chemistry is synthesis means we can create compounds that have never been created before, or at least by humans, we have never actually created them before. We're not creating something brand new here, but we are going through the steps of a synthesis of a particular set of compounds. And that's what you're going to be reading about and exploring in today's lab. The other key part of this is chemiluminescence. Chemiluminescence is when a chemical reaction produces light. We're going to know if our synthesis is successful if the compounds that we produce today are able to react at the end of the experiment and produce a blue light, chemiluminescence. If that works, we know our synthesis reaction has been successful. Chemical reactions involve energy. Sometimes we can get a sense of the energy involved. In an explosion, you see kinetic energy as things move out. In a reaction that's a combustion reaction, we see heat and we can feel the energy coming off. Other reactions produce light. A chemiluminescence reaction produces light, and that's our goal today, is to have a reaction that successfully produces this blue light, and then that will be our evidence that our synthesis was done correctly. So with this introduction, we're going to stop here, and we're going to film various key steps along the way of this particular lab experiment. And as you go and read through and watch the video clips, you should get a good sense of what the synthesis was and what this key reaction that produces chemiluminescence is at the end of the laboratory experiment today.